Hi, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. King. I'm here to read to you a special book to celebrate Literacy Week. It just so happens that Tuesday, March 2nd, is also Dr. Seuss's birthday. So we get to read with one of his favorite characters, the Cat in the Hat. And today I'm going to share with you the Planet Name Game with permission from Random House Publishing, of course. So here we go. Pay attention as we read. See if you can hear some rhyming words that are on each page. And then look very carefully as the cat builds this model of the solar system throughout our reading. Here we go. One day, the cat said, "Today we will fly and see all the planets way up in the sky. There are 8 planets that circle the sun. We can name them all and have lots of fun." I heard sun and fun. Good job. First stop is the sun. Look, here we are. Have I told you that the sun is a star? Up in the sky, it may look like a dot. When we get close, you can feel it is hot. Dot and hot. The first planet we see is closest to the sun. It is Mercury. It is the smallest one. We named one planet. Now what do? Now we blast off for planet number 2. This planet is Venus. It never rains here. It is dusty and dry every day of the year. I heard year and here. Ooh, I bet you guys know this one. This planet is Earth. We can easily see why it is called the blue planet. It is planet 3. It has lots of oceans that make it look blue. I love this planet. I bet you do too. Blue 2 were some of our rhyming words. Here we go. Some of you might know this one. We call this one the red planet. Now we will fly way up past some stars to the next planet, the one we call Mars. I know that Mars is the red planet, Nick said, and I can see why. It really is red. So you can see how the font's a little different. And when I see the font's a little bit different right there, I can change my voice a little while I'm reading to make it sound different than the rest of the words on that page. Let me hold it up a little. There you go. Jupiter, the cat said, is 5th from the sun. As you can see, it's the biggest one. We can see it is big when we fly beside it. The other planets could all fit inside it. It is that giant. And some of you might be able to see over here, it's kind of going to show us that little red spot that we often know of that makes us think about Jupiter. This planet is Saturn. We can see 2 things. It's the second biggest, and it has bright rings. It is the 6th planet. There are only 2 more. Oh, I think space is such fun to explore. I heard more, and hopefully you heard explore. Next is Uranus. It has rings too, although Uranus has them going almost vertically most of the time. There is just 1 planet left to show you. And I think this book was written when they had the discussion of whether Pluto counted or not, but I think maybe it counts again. Who knows these days? So this book only has 8. This planet is Neptune. It is planet 8. We did it! Hooray! This name game is great. We named them all. Our name game is fun. So look at his model. It's empty now. We can do it again and start with planet 1. So you can see Sally and Nick are watching him, and Sally's got one in her hand. Nick's got one in his hand too. Mercury and Venus were such fun to see. Earth is where we live. It is planet 3. We named Mars, and then we named Jupiter too. Saturn was 6. Saturn was the 6th planet I showed you. Uranus, then Neptune. Our name game is done unless we play it again and start with the sun. I hope you enjoyed, boys and girls. I can't wait to see all of you back in school soon.